The case has been all repainted. It looks very, very nice. The front has been redone. Doesn't look like a Globe King in any way, but if you look inside and you look at the back and you check the placement of all the controls, you will know it's a Globe King. There is a extra connector over here which is connected to nothing. That may be in case someone wants to add a modulator later on. But it has all the positions in there, fine. The frequency is not marked for the band switch, but there's 160, which is nice to have 160. I won't be able to test it today on 160 because I don't have a crystal for 160. But we're going to put it, that's the 80 meter position and that's the 40 meter position. So the way you tune this up, we have a watt meter up here and there's a bulb way back there, a totally illegal incandescent bulb. And we will try tuning it up. The first thing we do, we hit the tune and we peak this up and get the peak there. There's actually a water tube coming out in this in the tune position. Then we throw this over to transmit and we are in the transmit position. And let's hit that, and we need to dip the final. Okay, and we'll peak that up. Okay, and we are probably a little high on power. Let's lower that down a little bit. Okay, and the meter's peaking up at 100. The meter reads high, but the bulb doesn't read high. It's got to have quite a bit of power in it. So you can see the bulb will go up quite a bit. I just don't want to have the current up too high. There we are. So that's 40 meters. Next we'll try it on 20 meters. We'll double the frequency and see how that works. So we'll try it on 20 meters and we'll put this in the tune position and we'll peak that up. Okay, and so now we're on 20 meters. Flip this into the transmit position and we need to dip the final, and we're already up pretty good there. I'm going to keep it right about here. So that's 20 meters. We'll go up to 15 meters. Again, we're now tripling the crystal. The crystal is now out of the band slightly, but it's enough to work. So there we are, and we'll just peak up there we go. And out we're going to go. Let's see. Put this in the transmit position, and looks like we're pretty well tuned up there. Okay, and we'll go to the 10 meter position and put this here and peak that up, and let's put the output. Let's see what we're doing on output. We need to redip the final. There we are, and bring that up. Not as much output. Let's dip that final again. There we are, and bring it up. The bulb doesn't light as much, but the meter is way up there. That could be just a poor match on SWR. And I don't know if it works on 6 meters. I don't know how many times we're multiplying. I guess we're multiplying the crystal seven times. We'll see what happens. Well, on the tune position indicates 20 watts. Yeah, I bet. In the tune position. But let's see what we have for output. And it does give us output on that band. And now I'll pull that crystal out and we'll try 80 meters. Let's try 80 meters. I'll put a 3707 crystal in. 160 will go to 80. And there's our drive. Okay, and now we'll go into the transmit position. Boy, that bulb really lights up. Okay, and okay, there we are. And so it works on, I can't test it on 160 as I mentioned because I don't have a crystal for 160. So there you is.